got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.
We're in sky blue, outgoing Edwin Sr., headed for college in the States, her coach told me, Michael Dyke.
Under 20 girls, 800 meters on the way now with a slight drizzle. 4 competitors, Kishero, Rushana Dwyer, Samantha Kavanagh, and Alicia Douglas. They head down the backstretch for the first time, and in the light blue of Edwin Allen, Rushana Dwyer, she has the best time in this field. Personal best 208.27. The world under 20 qualifying mark is 2 minutes 9 seconds. Class act this Rushana Dwyer as she takes up the early ascendancy.
Yeah, she had a great career at Edwin Allen, as Hubert mentioned, goes out with her final race in sky blue, settles into the front and looks very comfortable ahead of Douglas of St. Diego, the American-born Kavanagh on the outside, trying to get into the reckoning with over 350 meters to go. The Carifta Game champion, Rushana Dwyer, still in the lead. He's qualified at Carifta, but still manages to come here at the national championship to win under 25.
62.8 for the first lap for the champs winner, Rushana Dwyer, and the sky blue still in front at 800 meters.
Certainly wants to make amends. Did take this event at the Carifta Games recently, the under 20 section, but was later disqualified. And as she heads down the backstretch for the final time now, Rushana Dwyer and Kavanagh and Douglas from Trinity Elite and St. Diego respectively, just taking closer orders, but it's Rushana Dwyer on top at the moment, and Samantha Kavanagh from Trinity Elite in second at the moment. And then behind them we find from St. Diego, Douglas and Temple from Alphonsus Davis. Still Rushana Dwyer with a little under 200 meters remaining. Still Rushana Dwyer. The rest are beginning to bunch behind her, trying to come through on the inside. That's Kavanagh, but Rushana Dwyer steps into another gear now and begins to move away from the pack in ominous fashion. Rushana Dwyer won't be caught, and she comes home quite comfortably, 2 minutes 10.49 unofficially for the winner of the under 20 800 meters for girls, Rushana Dwyer of Edwin Allen. The official time now 2 minutes 10.53.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and drop a wall going in the comment section when you subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com